On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don plan roundtable meeting to take do check on top Edo-BEST. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk say plans dey ground to take do check on top how Edo basic education sector transformation EDOBEST go take change how basic education sector dey waka for Edo State. Governor talk this one when members of St. Paul's Catholic Church fundraising committee carry courtesy visit come government house of Benin City. Obaseki come talk say im go do roundtable discussion on top education before 1 month complete, so that dem go chook eye put inside wetin don dey shele since Edo State government begin to dey do EDO-BEST program and to take check wetin go happen for front. He talk say im administration ready to carry education go where e suppose dey, and na dis one na im make wey im administration dey put body on top EDO-BEST program because im government na better government wey dey put body for education matter. Governor Godwin Obaseki come talk say im administration go do collabo with the Catholic Church so that e go fit carry ogbonge education and healthcare come give Edo people. Im still yarn say na government work to see say free and better education go dey ground for people wey dey the state so that life go better for them. And this na why government dey collect tax from people, because if plenty money no dey, government no go fit do wetin e suppose do to develop the state with for im people. Governor come still talk say im administration go do collabo with any group wey ready to support im administration plan to better Edo, and e come still praise the Catholic Church wey dem take put body on top Edo State level. Parish priest of St. Paul's Catholic Church wey dey Benin City, Reverend Father Godwin Obaseki, come thank governor wey im take donate land give the church make dem build ogbonge body school put wey go get better facility for boys and girls. The Reverend Father come still talk say the school go give plenty children opportunity to take get better education. Reverend Father Obaseki come talk say the Catholic Church ready to provide ogbonge education give children, and the children go know book well and dem go teach the children good character. He come still thank governor for the way he take dey support the dialysis center, as e be say the center don dey do operation for chekele money. Na here we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don plan roundtable meeting to take do check on top Edo basic education sector transformation wey be EDO-BEST wey sit down on top education for Edo State. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey dey waka come meet una so na T Live Media na im carry am come give una. So dey get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for T Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.